This is a quick tutorial about the W210 FI water system. Alright, in order to access the water system, you have to start from the home screen. You will have a tab already set up. If not, you can go into the home screen and access the tab and install it. So once you click it, you have a couple different features. One, you can turn off your bars, different sections of the bar. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, depending if you're only milling half a pool. You can turn off the bars on one side, and if you're milling the other side, you can turn the bars on the other side off. Whichever side you're using, leave that one with water. The second thing you can do here is manually control the flow of water. You can go from 0 to 100%, or you can set it to whenever you start milling, it will automatically spray at that level which you set it on, or pressure. If you're not milling that much, for example, if you're doing profile milling and you don't need that water, then turn it down to 35%. Or if you're milling and there's stone, dirt underneath, and you don't want that to get too soft for your back trucks to get stuck, you can always lower that down to whatever you need it, but this is where you do it. Or you can also let the bar automatically decide where it needs to spray. That's up here. You can also do the automatic down here on your main control board. This is off, this is automatic, and this is manual. Thanks for watching.